Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer, and today we're going to take a look at this Fluidmaster replacement fill valve for your toilet. Okay, so when you're looking at the construction of this, the very first thing that I want to point out is it's all plastic, which is perfect for being inside of a water environment. You don't have to worry about rust stains, anything like that. Plastic is ideal. The very first thing you're going to do is take your old valve out, set it next to this valve, and you're going to adjust the height of the valve. And how you do that is this little slip ring, push it back, and you can adjust this to whatever height you need and then put the ring back. Now your height is adjusted. This is going to be your float, which is going to adjust the water level inside the tank, and you'll simply adjust that by either right or left, moving this up and down so that it will shut off as the water rises where you need it to shut off. There are two different ways that water enters your tank. One of them is down here, so it's going to actually enter the tank through this area right here and fill up the tank. The other way that water comes through this valve is through this tube, and this tube will actually go down a little pipe. You'll have a clip, it clips on so that it fills up the bowl. And the cool thing about this particular valve is it actually has an adjustment knob right here, so you can adjust it up or down depending on what you need to fill up your bowl. So, and you'll have to play with that a little bit as this rises because it's going to shut the water off to this as well. So you may need to adjust that up or down. If you need to ever replace a gasket on these, they're pretty simple. You turn it sideways a little, this pops off, and this is the gasket that you would replace right here. You can get these gaskets fairly reasonable. You'll buy them. If it wears out, put the new one on. Just make sure you don't bend the little pin. Put it back in. Trying to see it there. There we go. Put it back in. Put it back on the top and turn it, and you're back in business. And one other thing, when you're doing this, you can flush all this out and clean it really well. So you put it back together, and that's it. So it works really nice, super simple system. So I know that was really quick, but it kind of gives you just the overview of how this system works and how well it's actually made. They've been around a long time. You can't go wrong with getting a Fluidmaster. So do yourself a favor. If you're going to be fixing your toilet, get a Fluidmaster. It'll make it really quick. We'll see you on the next one.